संचल सितारों के पास, सितारों के पास।
So we met actually at our office place.
के पास
hospital. I met her at the hospital.
संचल सितारों के पास।
He came up and he was fixing some phones, and he came up and talked to me, and I told one of my friends that I really thought he was really cute, and she's like, oh, let me introduce you guys together.
Well, one of her mutual friends, she introduced us, Laura.
चले दुनिया को पीछे छोड़ के कोई भी ना हो जहाँ।
Hey, have you met Ashley? I'm like, no, I haven't met Ashley. Nitish Ashley. I'm like, yeah, hi. And then just moments after, she texted me on Messenger, hey, how you doing?
जो मेरे साथ सारी रात रहूँगा तेरे साथ।
I got introduced to him, and then we started talking, and then everything after that was just history.
Yep, that's how we met.
Florida. I can now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your wife.
पीछे छोड़ के संचल सितारों के पास।